Okay, today we're talking about long-range wireless temp sensors. So here's a product that we bought. It's an Ulta product. We bought it on monit.com. I want to say it's around $100, give or take. It comes with the CR2032 coin battery. And it's simple and easy to install the battery. Simple and easy to install this wireless sensor. You want to pay careful orientation to how the battery goes in, if you see here on this diagram. Otherwise, you can damage the wireless sensor. We're installing this wireless sensor in our fire riser room. That's also where our water main water meter is. So basically, you follow the steps. You scan the QR code on the side of the product. Just a quick disclaimer, this is not a paid promotion for the product. I'm just sharing with you my experience. There's a QR code. I whited out the details that were on the label. Mounted it to the wall with a couple screws that it comes with. And you just follow the steps. You got the device, the ID number, SC number. Click Next. I'm doing this on my iPhone. And you can see the sensor name, how you're going to use this sensor. Indoors, outdoors, refrigeration, etc. It's a little pull-down menu. And then we want it displayed in Fahrenheit. It's going to be indoors. You know, what do you want the heartbeat interval to be? The aware state below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, above 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Click Save. Step 3. Is a gateway online? Yes, because we already had a gateway installed and programmed previously. You can see the green check mark there. You click Next. We've already inserted the battery. And that's a picture of the gateway in our electrical room down in our parking garage below our building. You can see all the lights are green. So that wireless sensor is talking to that gateway. You can see this is what it looks like when you log into monit.com to your dashboard. You can see the temperatures. Here's a chart to show you how the temperatures have fluctuated in that room over the last 12 hours or so. So again, we're using this to monitor the temperature inside this fire riser room. But you can use it in other applications. I hope this information helps you. I also want to tell you about a practical facilities maintenance handbook available on Amazon.com in paperback and ebook format. Available in the link in the video description below. It has common shop equipment drawings, documents, signage, and reference material. This handbook makes a great training guide for facilities professionals or a resource for facilities professionals. And lastly, I'd like to tell you about these high-quality vinyl decals or stickers for your facility. They're available in the link in the video description below. They come in different sizes, and you can see they're geared specifically for the facility's maintenance space. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.